Hi everyone, I'm Andreca and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and kicking it with me. Today is a little bit of an exciting video because I've got some products that I have been dying to get my hands on. It's been around for maybe a year or so now, but every time I would check the website it would be sold out. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of some Melanin Haircare products. So excited. Alright. This is the box, by the way. It's a literal unboxing. Okay, let's see. So here we have the infamous Melanin Haircare Twist Elongating Style Cream with shea butter and natural oils. Now, if you've been on YouTube a while and you're familiar with Whitney Natural 85's channel, she made this product. So there's been a lot of reviews done about it since it debuted, and I've only ever heard good things. So I finally wanted to get I've been wanting to get my hands on this product. But like I said, every time I would check the website, it would be sold out. So this is the packaging, which I love. And this is one. I actually ordered two of these twist elongating style creams because, like I said, it would always be sold out. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, okay. Here she is. This is Whitney. There you go. And this is pretty much a note to me and to anyone else who bought the product. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for your support in my hair care line, Melanin Haircare. This box contained years of hard work and dedication in order to create a product that not only I, but you as well can be proud of. Cute. That's very cute. Very cute. Oh yeah, this is the other thing that I ordered too. Now this is the Melanin Haircare Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner with nourishing baobab oil, turnip oil, and provitamin B5. So here it is. There's a sticker on here. Best of the best. Leaders in Curl, Naturally Curly 2020 award winner. Okay, Whitney. Got you a little award. But yeah, so this is the leave-in conditioner. And I also wanted to try this because this is one of the newer products on the website. And I just wanted to give it a try. So I finally got my hands on my own edition of this. Now, with that being said, I did use this product once before. A friend of mine had it and I just wanted to give it a try, but I'll do a more thorough review in my next video, so stay tuned for that. I will be doing a more thorough review on it. But this product claims to have no sulfates, no parabens, no silicone, no mineral oil, and stuff like that. And it says it's a conditioner like no other. That's what it's claiming. Let's see here. It says, I hope you enjoy this soothing, moisture-rich leave-in conditioner designed to soften, moisturize, and repair your hair from the inside out. Use to condition your hair after cleansing, as a leave-in conditioner, as a detangler, and to rehydrate during the week. Okay, it says how to use. As a conditioner, apply on wet hair after rinse, stuff like that. As a leave-in, apply with wet hair and proceed with styling. As a detangler, apply to wet hair or dry hair and work through to gently remove knots and straight hair. As a moisturizer, apply to hair and proceed with your favorite oil blend to lock in the moisture. I mean, there's a ton of ingredients on here that I can't quite pronounce, but I'm sure it's all good. The expiration is 12 months. And yeah, so there you have it. So this is the Melanin Haircare Elongating. No, this is the Melanin Haircare Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. And this is the Melanin Haircare Twist Elongating Styling Cream. Yeah, so for this one, this has a lot of good sounding ingredients in here as well. So, can't wait to review this product. Can't wait to use this product on a consistent basis. And I will be letting you know my thoughts from here on out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much and take care.